Hello, in front of me I've got XPeng P7 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable Wake Word Enhancement for Assistant. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to Car, Voice Assistant and find Wake Word Enhancement. Switch it and now you can add your custom Wake word.
Please sit on the driver's seat or the passenger seat and say hey XPeng.
Hey XPeng.
Good job, please say hey XPeng.
Hey XPeng.
Great, please say hey XPeng.
Hey XPeng.
Awesome, please say hey XPeng.
Hey XPeng.
The last one, please say hey XPeng.
Hey XPeng. Now you can add new Wake word. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.